Welcome back. It's Endgame on now, but what is it and how much is it worth? Well, let's find out as I read the contents of tonight's Endgame envelope, as delivered by our resident meerkat. Thank you very much, Stuart. And tonight's Endgame is worth 47 points, which means anybody can win! What
a coincidence, how exciting. Very exciting.
And ask the question, which generation is best at blowing up a machine gun nest?
What?
All right, listen up.
Oh, no.
All right, chaps. Very, very simple, this mission. We start here at the tyres. Each of you, that's red, blue and green leader, go through over the triangle frames and the camo net. What's a camo net, Thomas?
It's a net that's made out of camouflage.
Correct. Very well done. Over here to the hurdles, around here, across the moat on the rope swing, through the pipes, and here to the explosion plungers. Now, apparently there's been a bit of sabotage and they're not connected, so you actually have to connect up the terminals yourself using the wires. Then press the plunger and the first one to blow up the bunker wins. That's essentially it, all right? Are we all understanding? Are there any questions? Are there any answers?
It looks there, sir.
Yes?
Like the baby boomers have to run further at the end, or is that just because of the graphics, sir?
No, that's just a trick thing. They're actually all the same length. All right, are we ready? Sergeant
Sir,
Major? Yes,
I'm a little
indeed.
claustrophobic, sir. Must I go through the pipes, sir?
What do you want to do with the pipes?
I'm a little claustrophobic, sir.
Well, that's all right.
Maybe Charlie can go through twice.
Yes, perhaps Charlie can go in on my...
Well, you got to help each other. You got to help each other,
sir,
right?
Sir.
Yes.
Sir,
yes. What is it,
I'm a
Keller?
classic baby boomer. I have arthritis in my hips, sir. I might have trouble with the tyres and the camo net and the triangle frames and the hurdles and ropes and the pipes, sir.
Wait a minute. Keller, that's a German name, isn't it?
Oh. He's on to me.
All right, no more of this.
Sir.
What, Zamiro?
Nothing. I'm ready for battle.
All right, shut it, Zamiro! On the double, rendezvousing outside 1100 seconds. Up to. Left, right. Oh, left, right. Come on, pick him up! Left, right. Assume your position. Sir, thank you very much, Sergeant Major. All righty, come over here. Amanda and Kevin.
Yes, Sean.
Who is that exactly?
I'm doing character. All right, then, chaps, I want you to keep a stiff upper lip. Remember the Bosch and no man's fool. The Bosch. All right, on your marks.
Oh, really?
Get set. Go! Hurry up! It's interesting, isn't it? This mud here, I'll tell you an interesting fact about some mud, Kevin. Would you like to hear it? All right, mud was a band in the 1970s.
Sorry, I'm trying to save Amanda's life.
No, that's okay. I thought I'd tell you about mud. Were you interested? All right. Well, Mud was a band that did a song called Tiger Feet in 1977.
Do I have to listen to you, sir?
Well, I'm trying to save your life. Oh, this is camouflage netting that Josh was telling us about. Anyway, you pop through there. That's it. That's good. Now, these are sort of hurdles you'd run into in combat.
My belt.
And over here is over here, there's some ropes. Interesting fact about ropes: the longest rope, according to Wikipedia, in the world is 4 inches long.
Julia, we can make it!
That's all right. You can actually get through the pipes.
Step over, it's easy.
Oh, Josh, are you the first one out?
I'm the first one out!
That's good. Okay.
Right, I can see my...
That's right. I can see your underpants. All right. You got to work with Liesel to put the fuse
Okay, you ready?
fuse wire together onto the terminal.
Just one.
Let's do one at
It's
a time.
exciting,
I'll
isn't
go
it?
first.
All right, love.
I'm never going to swing across this.
It's easy, relax. Please stop hard.
Have you seen Bridge Over the River Kwai?
Ready?
Okay, yes, love.
No, that's not it. Next one.
Got it?
Hang on.
Oh, we just grab at that bit there, right?
Okay, got it. Okay.
Charlie, you get over here to the plunger, and you got to put the terminal on. There's some wrong wires
You
there.
go first.
Just waiting for Julia.
Yeah, that's fine. Well, you can go
I'll
through
go
one
around
of
the
them there.
side. Come on, yay, come on. Up.
Hey.
Hey.
What? What are you doing?
Hey.
What if this was a real war?
I climbed through and I've just gone back again to get my sandwich, sir.
Julia, how you doing?
Hey, come on.
You're doing great.
All right, come on. Come on, Kevin, help him. Come on, Kevin.
You don't want to grab
What's
my
wrong
hand.
with you?
Come on.
All right.
Okay.
Can I start going, Sean?
Yeah, sure, go
Come on,
ahead.
Julia.
Julia, hi, Julia. So you don't get this on Rock Quiz, do you?
It's been lovely working with you.
Okay.
All right, wait a minute. All right, now you can still win because you're all here.
Give it a plunge. Give it a plunge.
Okay.
No, that's not it. That's not it. I can tell because of the reaction. Nothing happened there.
Okay, that's one.
No, that's not it, Charlie.
Good on you, Charlie.
Josh, you must have gone through all of them by now.
No, this is the last one, Sean.
Okay.
We can win. Okay, go.
No, that's not it. Remember, this is a machine gun. This is really important. Holy heck! All right, well, Gen Y, over here. Come over here. Very well done. Come, Liesl, let's go.
Yeah.
Over here. And Gen Y tonight's winner. Congratulations. Well done. Right, thanks very much to our special op guests tonight, Kevin Harrington, Julia Zamiro, and Liesl Jones. And also our captains Amanda Keller, Charlie Pickering, and Josh Thomas. Up until our next mission, remember that when they tell you that truth is the first casualty of war, that means they're lying, and it isn't. McAuliffe out. That'll look good in the promo. Medic!